Glowing effect in a picture. Drag second picture into first picture tab. Left-click on second picture layer. Now click on blending option. Now click on inner glow. Click on color. Choose color from second picture. Press OK. Now change its opacity to 60%. Change its choke to 20%. Change its size to 120%. Now click on outer glow. Now click on color. Choose color from second picture. Press OK. Now change its opacity to 71%. Change its spread to 7%. Change its size to 65%. Press OK. Click on first picture layer. Click on select option in menu bar. Now click on subject option. Now add new layer. Change its blending option to color. Now double-click on colors option. Choose color from second picture. Press OK. Now select brush tool. Adjust brush size according to your picture. Now change opacity to 50%. Hold the click button and drag on the area, and you want to add glow effect. Result: before.